Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying fit because an ill-sized lock jams operation. Once you confirm door thickness and bore hole, remove the old hardware and test latch alignment. Insert fresh batteries into the exterior keypad to prevent mid-install power loss, and create the admin PIN now so you can pair in sequence. Make sure to label parts and orient the exterior unit with camera and keypad facing outward. This guarantees the mechanism and wired connections match the interior mounting plate. Once the plate is secure, align the exterior housing so the cable feeds cleanly. You want no pinch points. Tighten screws in an alternate pattern to keep even pressure, and stop when snug because over-tightening warps the keypad. Connect the cable to the interior module, slide the interior cover on, and insert batteries to power the motor. Now run a manual turn to confirm the latch retracts smoothly. This verifies mechanical and electrical alignment before software pairing. You finish by registering the admin code, adding user PINs, and enabling desired features so the lock responds as intended. Once done, test every access method, keypad, physical key, and thumb turn, 3 times each to ensure reliability. If something fails, first check battery voltage and reseat the cable. A common cause is low power or a loose connector. If the latch binds, loosen mounting screws slightly and realign. Consult the LED error to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.